Assalamualaikum, welcome to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll show you how to install software on Windows. First, download the installer from a trusted source. Here I have downloaded this file. Once it's downloaded, double-click the file to open it. If it asks for any installation mode, select Install for all users. Give the permission. Follow the on-screen prompts and click Next through each steps. Make sure to read any license agreements and select your desired installation options. When finished, click Install and let the process complete. Once done, click Finish to close the installer. And that's it, the software is installed on your PC. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thank you.